I'm going to show you how to count the number of words in a spreadsheet. So spreadsheets don't have an automatic function to do this. You're going to have to get a little creative. So the easiest way to do it is just to copy your text, hit Ctrl+C here, open a document, and then I'm doing Ctrl+V here, paste and linked. I just need the text, okay? Then we're going to select all of this text here. Okay, I just did a Ctrl+A. We're gonna come to Tools, and we are going to click on Word Count. Okay, so this is telling you we have one page, 53 words, 315 characters. Display word count while typing. Okay, I tick this, so you're gonna have the word count here. Okay, so this is the easiest way. Just open a document and count it there. Now, if you are like me, really insistent and you actually do want to do this in a spreadsheet, you can use this formula that I pasted here, which is a formula that is going to basically, in very resumed way, what this is going to do, it's going to count the number of spaces, okay, and then it's going to it's going to add a +1 at the end, so you can see the +1 here, to tell you how many words there is. So it's kind of ingenious. It goes, instead of counting the number of words, it counts the number of spaces and then adds 1 so that you have the number of words. So what we have to do here is basically, I'm just going to copy the formula, do Ctrl+C here, and here in B1, just paste it, and it's counting 5 words here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. So basically it's counting the spaces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces +1 to account for the first word, 5. And then I'm just going to drag this down. So here's counting 11 words, here's counting 8, and here's counting 28. And then you can just do a sum at the end. And here it is counting 52 words. How many we were counting here? We were counting 53. So we do have the discrepancy. I think it's actually counting projected and actual as 2 different words. That's why it's counting 53, because you see if I separate it, it's still counting 53 words. So it's probably counting, you know, this symbol here is counting it as a space. See, this is not a word. Okay, so it is accurate. Slightly different way of counting, because here basically, well, as we said, we are counting the spaces and then adding 1. So this here would count as 1 word only, versus when we came to the document, we are counting 1 word more, because it is counting those 2 as 2 words. You can see if I highlight them, you can see here that it's counting them as 2 words. So slightly different methodology, but I think they're both pretty accurate.